Hello friends, welcome back to our another Faction Learning Series video. Today I will show you accountant panel. Currently you are seeing this Faction website, right? Here you have two options. One is get started, another is sign in. So if you are direct client, then simply you can click here and create your accountant ID and access the portal. Or if you are an accountant, then you reach out to us by clicking here the contact us, and we provide you accountant ID, and then you are able to access our accountant panel. Okay, now let's move forward. Let me show you this sign up option also. So currently you are seeing this sign up option, right? So here you have a 30 days free trial. So if you are a direct client, you can simply sign up here and start your accountant panel. Now let's move forward. Currently you are seeing this Faction accountant dashboard or panel. Here you can see three things. One is manage company, manage user, and another is generate text report. Okay, so here you can see we have two things, right? One is add a new company, another is export. So if you want to export your data, this company list, so simply you can export from here and it will be downloaded. And if you want to create a new company or add a new company in this list, so simply click here and you have to fill these fields. Okay, so here you have to add company type, company name, registration number, postal code, city, provision, and country code, base currency of your country, and email ID, phone number, address, and here you can select any of plan. Okay, so you can see we have this 30 days free trial. Okay, and now we have this four plans, right? Started, basic, and standard, and premium. So according to your need, you can choose any of the plan and simply close it. Then just choose your plan here and simply close it. Your plan will be selected. Okay, so after choosing any plan, you have to simply close it. And let me show you. Suppose I am selecting this plan and close it. Now plan is selected. Okay, so then you can save from here. Then your this new company list or new company will be added in your existing list. Okay, so here you have to select two things: individual, person, or enterprises of your company type. So according to this detail you have to fill, right? So after that just save it and it will be saved. Now you can see here in any of the company you get four things in your action option. Here is edit and sign in and subscription and add user. Okay, so if you want to edit your company, so simply you can edit from here. And if you want to access your this company invoicing portal, so simply you can log in via here. And if you want to change your plan, then simply you go here and change your plan. And if you want to give access to your any user, okay, so simply you have to create your user from here. If you want to give your invoicing portal access to any of your user, okay, in your company, so simply you can click here, add a new user, so and you can give the access to that person. Okay, so let me show you. Just click on it and you can see you directly land on this manage user page, right? For creating any new user, you have to fill these things like a name, email ID, and phone number, preferred language, selected company is by default here added. Okay, so you have to add here address, and then you have to select your email activation link. Okay, so you can see here you have two things. One is direct email link verification. If you choose this option, then it will directly go through your user's email ID. Okay, ID password will send there. And if you want to create your credential manually, so simply you can click here and add your password whatever you want, and then you send to your user. Okay, and then you have to add here. After that, after adding, this new user will be added in this list. Okay, so here you can see we have two options. One is add a new user and another is export. If you want to export your this user data, so simply you can download from here. And here is option to create a new user. So you can see here the detail or the layout of page. And we have another thing is generate text report. Okay, So here you can see we have four things, right? Select company, select report, and year, and then period, and then preview it, and your text report will be generated. So simply let me show you. I'm adding this company, and I'm adding this report, and suppose I am adding this year and this review it. Now you can see this format, right? So here you can see we have two options of exporting or downloading your report. Save and generate text. It will generated in text form, right? And here is option of Excel sheet file and PDF file. What you want this report in PDF or Excel file, simply you have to choose, and then your file will be downloaded. Okay, you just see the format. And if you want to reset it, then simply reset it, and again you can find another company report. Okay, so these things are done here, and let me show you. If you want to access your any of company's invoicing portal, then from where you can go, and from where you can sign in. Okay, so simply go here, manage company, and as I told you, here in action button you have this sign in option, right? In any of company you can see we have a sign in option, right? So let me show you. uh, Simply click on it, and then yes, login. Now you can able to see your company invoicing reports. Okay, including sales invoicing, purchase invoicing, organization, product, or you can see here any kind of report, profits, loss, and payable, tax estimate, any kind of report you can see here. You can generate here accounting details here. Okay, and you can create your assets, bank detail you can add. So these are the basic things you get from here. Okay, so that's it about accounting panel. So in this video I already covered these things, how to access your accountant panel, and from accountant panel how you can go through invoicing portal of your company. So these are very simple steps, and I already told you how to set up any new company, or how to generate tax report, or how to set up or create a new user and give them to access. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you like it. If you have any query related to our any learning series video and this accounting panel video, so you can reach out to us, and we definitely help you. And please do like, subscribe, and comment, and please share it.